Can you check who is the admin in Snapchat group chat? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, simply move into your chat section. Once you are inside the inbox, move into the group that you want to check who is the admin. Once you are in this group, now tap on the name of the group right here. It will open up the settings page. If you scroll down, you can see there is no any option or the feature in order for you to check who is the admin. You can see there is no any option available. Even if you click on this three dot icon, there is no any option for you to check who is the admin, which means that Snapchat doesn't have the feature in order for you to check who is the admin in the group. So all you gotta do is wait for the Snapchat to update this feature and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.